Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Big Ideas by Bindu. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and like, share, comment my channel. So today's session is about multiplication, another concept of multiplications, and today's topic or the sutra name is Urdhva Tiragabhyam. Urdhva Tiragabhyam means in English we can call it as crisscross method of multiplication. Crisscross multiplication. So crisscross multiplication means generally in Vedic maths it's a supporting method, you all know that, and in the Vedic maths multiplication sums we are having little conditions, means the same method we can't apply for every set of multiplication, whereas in the crisscross multiplication we can solve any sort of sums without any conditions by following simple steps. We can do so easily. So before going into the deep of the concept, we should know how this crisscross multiplication is special. It is entitled totally the crowning gem of Vedic maths, means it's having that much speciality. And crisscross method means if you observe the crisscross, vertical horizontal multiplication algorithm. So how the steps will be and what method we have to follow, what steps we have to take, let us go into the video in detail. Triple digit into triple digit. For this triple digit into triple digit also we have to follow steps. So here 3 digits and 3 digits, total 6 digits are participating. So we will be having only 5 simple steps. So let's see, let's have a look into it. So I told no dot method representation. So every time no need to keep these dots, only for understanding. If once it is registered in our mind, no need to keep for every sum this kind of dots and again keeping. You just try to observe it very carefully, the steps, what step will come after the next. If you keep that order in your mind, you can find very easily. So the first step is ones into ones. Second step, like in the double into double digit, here also same, crisscross ones into tens and their sum of the products. And now the third step, middle step, crosswise, all the digits will participate in this multiplication step, and the product we have to write the sum of their products. And the fourth step is tens into hundreds and the sum of their products. And last step is hundreds into hundreds. So any triple digit number we can take and we can solve like this. So let us take one example here. 392 into 291. Okay. 392 into 291. So 5 steps I told. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Done. So first step is 2 ones are 2. So I told also whenever the single digit comes, we have to keep 0 in the tens place. So 2 ones are, it is 0, 2. So the first step is done. The second step, like how we did in the 2 digit crisscross multiplication, here also the same thing. We have to crisscross and add the products. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. It's 27. Here you will feel little difficulty because all the digits here are participating in this multiplication. So let us see. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 9 9s are 81. Okay, so simply we can write here 88. That 88 we have to write here. As I told also, this sort of addition and all we need to do, and we need to visualize, and we have to do it in our mind. Now the next step is 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Then we have to write the answer. The sum of these two are the products, and their sum I have written. And now it is 3 2s are 06. So see, very easily the first part of the sum is done. So now balance. What is left over here? It's balance time. So let us do that. 2. I don't know why we have to keep 0. So here if you won't write 0 here, simply you wrote 2, then what will happen? Will you carry the 2 down, or will you add it to the next number? Total places of the digits will gone wrong. So that's why, to avoid that, if you write like this 0 2, the ones place digits will be carried as it is, and the tens place digit will be carried to the next places. So 0 to 27, as I told, we should not add to the individual digit. We have to add the carrying digit to the next set of number. So 0 plus 27, it is 7, and 2 to the next number. So 88 plus 2, it's 90, right? So 0 and carry 9 to the 45. So 45 plus 9, it is 54. So 4 here and 5 here. So 6 plus 5, it's 11. And the answer is here, 11 40 72. How to read this number? It is 1,14,072. By seeing triple digit multiplication, you may miss, there will be a chance of missing any step. But here in the crisscross method, I can surely say that without any wrongs or mistakes, you can do so easily. So shall we take one more example? Let's do that. Let us take one more example, little bigger. It is 738 and 673. Okay, so places we have to see. So first step, 8 3s are 24. Next 3 3s are 9. Here I am writing, but you have to keep in the mind, 9 plus 7 8s are 56. So here 65. Now the middle step here, while we in the triple into triple digit sum, we have to be very careful with step 3. That is the middle and a very important step here. So now let us do the multiplication. 6 8s are 48, 7 3s are 21, 3 7s are 21. So here the answer is 90, right? And this sort of addition and all, we can apply the dot method addition. So in the next video you can watch how can we add these many numbers just in the mentally by keeping a small dots or by visualizing that. You can watch the dot method addition in next video. So now the next step here, 7 7s are 49 and 6 3s are 18. So answer here you can write 67, and the last step, 7 6s are 42. Yes, now let us balance here. You also try to do along with me. It's 4, 67, 96, 976, 749. And the answer is ready here, 496674. Means here 4,96,674. Let us take one more example for more better understanding. Okay, I don't know, if you take a simple numbers also sometimes we may get mistakes. Let us see here, 212 into 113. We may think that it's easy. It will be easy when we place the digits in a correct order. Let us take the steps. 2 3s are, if you write generally 6, it's gonna wrong, so we have to write 0 6. The first step is completed. Now 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2. 3 plus 2, 0 5. Next 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So here 6 plus 2 plus 1. It's 9, right? So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 1s are 1 7 and 2 1s are 2, that is 9 total. So next step, 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So it's 0 3. Now the last step, 2 1s are 2. Yes. If you want to place zeros here, see how the sum will be wrong. So carried here 6, 0 plus 5, 5. So 0 plus 9, it's 9, 3 and 2. So it's a 2, 3, 9, 5, 6. So how easily, without lengthy steps, we can do so easily. I hope you will like this video, and if you want to watch more and more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please click on the bell icon and select all so that you would not miss any of the Vedic Maths concepts. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.